Alright, race fans, Johnny with GForce Monkeys here. This is our fourth pass. Pass number 4. We've gone from 58 down to 48. About 10 seconds. We're having a lot of fun. Hit it. Johnny with GForce Monkeys. Lunch is over and we are racing again. This will be run 4 or 5 for me. Let's see if I can get some better times. Best time so far, 47 and some change. Let's see what we can do these next few runs. I think so.
Awesome.
We'll see how this next run goes.
Yeah.
Next few.
Remember, tires got cold and there's more water on the track now, so it'll be a little slippery than it was on your last run.
Will it?
Yeah. It always gets me after lunch. You're like, oh, okay, well, I'm gonna go hard again, and then you get on the course, and before you know it, you split out.
Really?
Yeah. I know it's coming, and I did it yesterday.
Yeah.
Got out right after lunch, put it in the dirt. Just 2 tires, but still.
Nice. That advice you gave me, I cut a whole second off.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so thank you. Get some heat in RHonda the Honda. I need some heat. I need some heat. It's a cold one out here, you guys. I can't wait to see what the summertime's going to be like when it's when all the concrete's dry. Because, you know, we have quite a bit of spinach going on, or slippage. I'm slipping the front tires around. I've got a lot of oversteer. And, but we're still hitting pretty good times. This next set of laps will probably kill some cones, because I'm going to kind of be more balls out on this one. So wish me luck, you guys.
Can I catch a ride with you?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You gotta get you.
He's already cut off a second for me. Alright, brother.
Remember, smooth is fast. You have some white tires.
Smooth is fast. Is that what you were telling me about? Yeah. Did you notice? That's what halfway through I was shuffling. Did you notice that at the last I stopped and I was like, shit.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to keep remembering all the pointers I've been given.
Yep.
But there's
a lot of information.
Dude, there's a lot. Yes, and there's so much going on. All.
Yep.
Like now.
Yep. The more times you can walk it, the more you're going to be visualizing it and knowing what's coming. The fast drivers think 3 elements ahead. So if they're at this L box, if they're at the first L box, they're thinking about the C box, which is crazy. Yep.
I can't believe I saved it though on that one end.
Sweet, dude.
That was
dude. If I would have done that first fishtail on my car, it would have snapped and it would have been gone.
You would have spun right around.
It's so stiff.
You're totally right about it being a lot slipperier.
How you doing out there? Good?
Good. Did you see that?
Yeah, I didn't, but you just told me.
Dude, I almost lost it, but I saved it.
Saved it, good job, man.
Alright, you guys. Race number 2. Race number 2 for the afternoon with GForce Monkeys here. We knocked out a cone and almost lost it the first round. Let's see how this run does. To go a little bit more balls to the wall. I gotta try to beat my time of 47. Yeah. That was a terrible run, the last one. Hello. Thank you. You see me almost lose it? Almost lost it. I saved it. I didn't.
Excellent. Let's go and pick up. Better than you.
I think I did smack one though.
Go for it.
Best time so far, 46.9. Woohoo! Alright, boys and girls. Third run for the PM. Here we go. You guys, in case you don't know, this is a lot of fun. If you can't see all the cars that are out here, there's a lot of newer, nicer cars. You're probably wondering how people can afford to bring their newer, nicer cars out here. Well, little do you guys know, because you're not here, this is not that bad on your car. It's actually pretty easy on your car. Hard on the tires, hard on the suspension. But other than that, it's not too bad. There's a guy who brings a Viper out here, there's lots of Corvettes. So, you guys need to bring your cars out here and have a good time. In case you guys didn't see it before, my throttle stuck to the floor on that last run. The Lotus. We meet again.
I know. Isn't that weird?
It's so crazy. This is the best thing since sliced bread. I can't wait to see what this thing does on dry pavement.
That's awesome. This is a perfect car to begin with.
Go for it.
That's 2 seconds. Or yeah, 2 seconds. Alright, you guys, run 3. I just did my best lap, but I hit a cone. So it still might have been my best because I hit 46. But this time I'm going to see if we can hit 46 without hitting any cones. Need a little bit more full throttle. And I'm timing out the corners a little bit better. I'm working on looking ahead at the second and third. That's the plan. Okay, biggest thing I gotta do is I gotta push through that last corner. That last corner is where I'm struggling the most. I keep slowing down, but I need to push through. Gotta push through that corner. I wish me luck, GForce Monkeys. Don't forget to go to GForceMonkeys.com, pick up a decal, or meet me out here. I got them for sale. If you guys want to join the business program and you have a business, it's GForceMonkeys.com. You can find the page there. The damn cones are getting in my way.
Tell them to move. Honk that horn.
Oh, my whistling Dixie.
Go for it.
There we go! 46 clean! Woohoo! Alright! Let's see if I can hit 45!
Yes.
Alright, GForce Monkeys, got Grandpa in the car now. I'm gonna stare at the back of his head for a little while.
Huh?
Grandpa, feel free to say hi to the camera behind your head.
Who's behind me?
Here's the camera.
Oh. Do they all have roll bars like you do?
No, we don't need them for this racing.
How's that?
No, you got it wrong,
I
Pop.
got it wrong.
You gotta double it. Go through both sides. Here, let me get my gloves off.
Oh, okay. Oh, I know what you're wrong. I did it wrong.
You got it? There you go. Then you gotta back through. Here, let me do it for you, Pop.
What you got there? Yeah, 39. What can I hold on to?
Bar.
Huh?
Here, now take this and pull it tight. Hold on to that bar. You're gonna need to stabilize yourself. Hold on to that handle. And then what I usually do is put my arm around the back seat of whoever's driving. Alright, Pop. In case you guys don't know, this is my grandfather, John Young Sr. He's a 20-year Navy veteran.
82 years old.
82 years old. Riding in a rally, riding in the autocross for the first time ever. Hopefully I don't scare you, Pop. Can't run over any cones.
I just close my eyes.
There you go. Thanks for riding with me, Grandpa. Pop, this is the last run. You made it for the last run.
Oh, wow.
That's awesome. I got the first John in the car.
Nice.
Made it for the last run. Hopefully.
Go for it.
Good? Thank you. Got my grandpa with me. Grandpa. 82-year-old.
First ride?
Yeah.
Oh boy, you're in for a treat.
Yeah, I know. I can't wait.
That thing's so fast, Grandpa.
Yeah.
It's the same as this, but newer. You know that, right? Good? That was it. You did it. Thank you, Grandpa. You're my good luck. Hey, best run. 46 with my grandpa.
That was awesome.
Wasn't that fun?
Yeah, you know, I had him right on the bottom of the seat right over that.
Told you.
Wow. You could race some more?
No, that was it.
Shit, I just made it.
You just barely made it. I've gone about 10 times.
Oh, wow.
Hey, you can co-drive with me
How's
if you
that
want
work?
to.
How's
You
that
just go online, you register, and you come with me, and then we switch spots.
No, I can't do that.
Yeah?
I got lost with you driving.
No.
I'll just ride with you.
All right.
Take the helmet off. I can't get out of I can't get out without the helmet off. Ah. Man, that helmet fits good.
Thank you, Grandpa. You're my good luck.
Yep, oh, you're good luck. I'll be there. I'm the one that's going to be there.
I'm glad you were able to be with me for the best time.
Well, you know, I don't think you raced with it, you know, being as bad as it is, but I didn't even feel you slipping around.